Now, even as the number of positive coronavirus cases rise in Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray's government mulls over suspension of local trains. India Today's Vidya was on board one such local train. Take a listen at what she has.
There are approximately 112 trains that Western Railway has, of which 94 are always on the run. So whenever there is a little bit of time that they have when the trains can really come into car shed where I'm located right now in Mumbai Central, these car sheds are cleaned up. One, by the usage of water force. Secondly, by such kind of cleaning, manual cleaning of the handlebars and the spokes that you can see here. The thirdly, obviously, is the disinfectants. Disinfectants were never used earlier, but since the spread of COVID-19 is something that the government is really keen on curtailing, since then these infectants, which probably you also would have used at your home while you clean up your house during sweeping and cleaning, even those concentrates, that very concentrate is used right here while cleaning these local trains. That's something that the railways is very eager to do right now, to see to it that the spread of the coronavirus or the COVID-19 does not really happen from the Mumbai local trains. With cameraman Rakesh Salaskar in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
Now, a positive case has reached Kolkata as well. Let's take a quick look at this ground report filed by Manogya Loiwal from Quest Mall in Kolkata.
Several shopping malls in Kolkata are making all possible efforts to ensure that everyone who walks into the mall not just has an experience but is also absolutely sanitized. I'm here at the Quest Mall, which has taken all possible measures to ensure that everyone who walks in uses the hand sanitizer as well as the gloves and the mask that have been provided to the employees here. What you see is the lesser number of crowd also, but there are a lot of steps that have been taken, like a clean and hygiene environment for everyone, the Shoppers Stop as well as Quest that has put up boards everywhere, and of course trying to maximize the importance as well as the entire community cleaning as well as sanitization process that are being followed at every level, not just in the 6-storied building, but also ensuring that the employees as well as the visitors are being taken care of in the best possible way. There is a dip in the business, but of course there is also a need of the hour to ensure every kind of safety and security measure. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today.
They are doing a very good initiative they have taken, because it's spreading like a lot. It's good that till now West Bengal has not come up with anything now. So it's good that all the malls are already taking all the precautions so that, all people are safe around.
Now, after COVID-19 outbreak, migrant labourers in Kerala's Trivandrum are returning home. Thousands of them have already started returning to their hometowns in northeast bound trains. Take a look.
You see behind me is actually the tussle to get into one of the very few trains that is running to the northeast directly from Kerala and Thiruvananthapuram. So as many of you must be already aware, Kerala's larger chunk of the workforce or the labour workforce is actually contributed through the migrant labourers or the guest labourers as they are being called by the Kerala people. So it has come towards a tipping point after the COVID scare that many of them have started losing jobs, and many of them are also probably afraid of getting contracted with this virus, which has made way to a massive migration or a reverse migration, as I can say. I'm not really sure if that's the correct word, but still, because thousands of people have come here, mostly belonging to various northeastern states and also from many other parts of Kolkata and West Bengal, who are desperately trying to get a seat or at least an inch in that train to travel and finally reach their destination. So remember, this is actually one of the trains that is running to Silchar, which is one of the northeastern regions, and this is also passing through the major towns in West Bengal, Assam, including Dibrugarh and Guwahati.
क्या करे भाई, रिजर्वेशन मिल नहीं रहा है. अब जनरल में कटाए, अब वैसे देखिए भीड़ कितना है, क्या करेगा. सरकार को यहाँ को मालूम है कि सब जा रहा है हिंदी वाला है, फिर भी सुविधा नहीं दे रहा, क्या करेगा. अब उधर भी रिजर्वेशन में भी घुसेगा तो पुलिस जास्ती प्रॉब्लम करेगा. इसमें रहता है तो खुद से प्रॉब्लम है, क्या करेगा.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.